Hello class ninth. We are going to start part 2 of chapter The Story of Village Palampur. In this part we are going to talk about farming in Palampur. As we have discussed in previous video that farming is the main production activity in Palampur. 75% of people who are working are dependent on farming for their livelihood. They could be farmers or farm laborers. The well being of these people is closely related to production on the farms. But there is one very basic constraint in rising farm production, that is, land area under cultivation is practically fixed, as since 1960 in Palampur, there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. By then, some of the wasteland in the village had been converted to cultivable land. There exists no further scope to increase farm production by bringing new land under cultivation. This gives us two basic conclusions, that is 75% of people are dependent on farming in Palampur. Land is fixed for the purpose of cultivation. As we all know that land cannot be increased. Land is always a fixed kind of production factor. So that is one big constraint when it comes to, or when we want to raise our farming produce. Now let us talk about different ways by which we can overcome the constraint of fixed land. So in this category we have three solutions. First one is three different crops. The second one is electricity, and the third one is HYV seeds. We will talk about these in detail. Let us first take three different crops. India is a country in which different harvesting seasons are there. Two main seasons are Rabi, which is also known as winter season, and the second one is spring season, which is also known as Kharif season. So in Rabi season, farmer grow wheat, and in Kharif season, farmers grow jowar and bajra. And there is one more crop which is grown throughout the year, that is sugar cane. So like this, land never remains uncultivated. So same land is used thrice in a year for different crops. The main reason why farmers are able to grow three different crops in a year in Palampur is due to well developed system of irrigation, and electricity has a very important role to play in irrigation, because with the help of electric run tube well, one farmer can irrigate much larger area of land more effectively. The third solution of problem is HYV seeds. HYV seeds are those seeds which are scientifically developed to produce more and more crops. These seeds are helpful in producing more crops from the same land. HYV have a full form which is high yielding variety seeds. Yield is measured as a crop produced on a given piece of land during a single season. And in India, Punjab and Haryana were first to use these kinds of seeds. The question is, will the land sustain all those activities which we are doing to increase our agriculture produce? The answer is no, because land is natural resource and land should be used very carefully. The second point is chemical fertilizers should be used in limit as they decrease soil fertility. The third point is water table should not be disturbed by installing more and more electric tubes, because by installing more and more electric tubes we disturb our groundwater level, and by which water table is highly disturbed, and at the end level of water goes down. So when we are using natural resources, we should use them carefully. We must take care of environment to ensure future development of agriculture. Let us revise what we have learned in this video. In this video, we learned about land as a fixed resource and what are the different methods by which we can increase our yields from the land. And the third point we learned in this video is, will the land sustain all those activities which we are doing to produce more and more from the same land? Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.